I screwed up. Y'all see this? B2768, right impact pressure sensor circuit open. And guess what? It's active. Now, actually, I screwed up, but everybody else screwed up, including the parts department and including Cousin Pookie. So I'm not taking all the blame, but at the end of the day, it's my responsibility, and it looks like I screwed up. This is an impact sensor that go right on the front. This new sensor is already on here, the one Parts gave me. That code mentioned pressure sensor. I'm not sure this is the same sensor, so I may have the wrong sensor. Quick look at the wiring diagram. Here we are, guys. Here's the OSC RRC module right here. These are the sensors that are attached to the module. This is the sensor I'm interested in right here. This pressure sensor on the right side. So this is a tricky way to find out where this sensor is located. In fact, I'm gonna click right here. That's the connector. Now we want to see exactly what a freaking sensor is. So we're gonna click view. Ta-da! Guess what, guys? It's in the freaking door. The pressure sensors are inside the freaking door. When I was getting ready to remove this door panel to verify that that sensor is in fact intact, look what I see. Yes, y'all see all this wiring. Now here's the deal. What are the chances of this open circuit from this door pressure sensor going through here? It's great. All right, so this is what I mean by I will have to pay for this, not monetarily, but in fact time. Okay, I'm gonna have to spend time finding the two wires that come from that sensor that go through here and splice them back together. Now, as you can see here, Cousin Pookie screwed this up. Whoever worked on this last, look at this. They didn't solder joint nothing. They just twist wire and taped it up. Okay, I don't go out like that. So yeah, so 3 people dropped the ball here. Me, my parts department by giving me the wrong sensor, and freaking Cousin Pookie. All right, so I'm only gonna take 30% of this, but I'm gonna have to spend some time finding this open circuit and fixing it, because I can't call the customer back and ask for 3 hours wiring repair job. No, I screwed up in the beginning by misdiagnosing it, because you can call it whatever you want. I know how to take blame for my faults, guys. I got work to do.